Good morning children, welcome to the science class. In today's class children, we are going to study chapter number 6, soil. And children, we are going to cover the topic regarding soil erosion. And we will know about protecting the soil. In what way you can protect the soil. So children, first of all, let us know children what is soil erosion. As this term is very new to you all. You are not knowing about the kind of soil erosion which can be taken place. So let us know children about the uppermost layer of the soil, that is known as the topsoil. Children, what you see at the top, that is known as the topsoil. Clear? So you must remember that the uppermost layer of the soil is known as topsoil. Next children, it is made up of fine sand and humus. It is made up of fine sand and humus. And as it is rich in humus, plants grow well in it. And children, since it is very rich in humus, it is providing good amount of nutrients to the plants, and plants can grow very well in this soil. So children, now we come to know about the soil erosion, how it takes place. Children, you know that strong wind and water carry the topsoil with them if it is kept loose. So children, you know generally the wind is blowing, at times there is rainfall, even the water is taking the topsoil with it as it is flowing. So you can understand that the strong wind and water carry the topsoil with them. And children, if it is kept loose, then it is being carried from one place to another. So children, roots of the plants bind the soil particles together. So now here the plants are playing a very important role to stop soil erosion. How children? Because the roots of the plants are holding the soil. They are able to hold the soil on its place. And if you are growing lot many plants and trees around, the topsoil will be always placed on its own place, because the roots are going to hold the soil. So you can say roots of the plants bind the soil particles together, and thus soil is left loose if we cut down trees. So that is why we say that we shouldn't be cutting much of trees, as the consideration for the topsoil, we have to take care of the topsoil. So here you will understand what do you mean by soil erosion now. Children, the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. So this is how soil erosion is taking place, children. How? With the help of the wind and with the help of the water. So you can understand now what is soil erosion, children. Soil erosion is the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. That is known as soil erosion. Now in this case children, you must know how you can protect the soil. I have jotted down some points here. We will just discuss about the 3 points which can protect the soil from soil erosion. So children, we can prevent soil erosion by following some important steps. As you know children, plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil, and however, it is very important to prevent soil erosion. So what can we do for this, children? Let us see. Children, we should plant more trees to replace the ones that are cut down. So one and only thing that we know that we are using many things from the trees. We need wood. So generally human beings are cutting good amount of trees for their own use. But apart from this, one can do one thing, that as much as they are cutting the trees, double than that they can grow the trees, so that there is a balance being maintained. So we should plant more trees to replace the ones that are being cut down. Clear children? Next point children, you must remember, trees and bushes should be planted in open land, and so that wind does not blow away the topsoil with its force. So one point you can remember, that the trees and the bushes should be planted in open land, so that the topsoil can be not allowed to blow away, and it can be protected. Next children, water flowing at speed can easily take away a lot of topsoil. Children, water flowing at a speed can easily take away the lot of topsoil. We should control the flow of rivers during floods. As you know, if there is heavy rainfall, there will be floods. So how can you control the topsoil? What you can do is, dams can be built to check the flow of water in rivers. So one thing can be done, that the dams can be made so that the flow of water can be checked. And then children, protection of soil from erosion. Remember this children, protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. So here you have come to know all the points about how you can conserve the soil, how you can stop soil erosion, which is taking place with the wind and water. Clear children? The removal of the uppermost topsoil with the action of wind and water. So you can stop it by planting much amount of trees. Then you can build up some dams around so that the flow of the water does not take the topsoil away with it. And then you can finally understand protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. So I hope children you are able to understand and remember this fact that you must grow good amount of plants. Here the picture being shown in your textbook also, two children are planting good some kind of trees to conserve the soil. Here you can see the children planting some plants here so that you can conserve the soil. So even you can help by planting some trees around so that you can stop soil erosion, and you can just protect the topsoil, which is very useful for the plants. So I hope children, with the help of this class today, you are able to understand what do you mean by soil erosion, and finally you have come to know that the protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. And for this children, you must take care of the plants around you and take it in a positive way by planting not many plants around your own place. Clear children? That's all for my class today children. Just try to remember all the points which I have shared with you in this class today, and try to see what you can do to protect the soil around you. That's all for my class today children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. Take care.